watch me essentially.
She wants these songs.
Stop making me laugh. Anyway, I get conscious.
Your story. What's your story?
Should we tell?
Yeah.
So,
we met on basically on social media. We started meeting. We started dating.
it's a very millennial wedding, you could say, because we met online and it just worked out very well for
Yeah.
us. So, though it is a love marriage, everything was sort of arranged, like our patrikas were matched,
Yeah.
and everything, touch wood, everything fell in place. So, good for
Yes,
us.
good for us. Yes, finally this thing
Yeah.
happened. नैया पार हो गई.
विसरू नहीं सूर छेडू मना तले येना क्षितिज नवे मास खुणवे गगन नवे गुण गुणते येना जग हे नवे कवित तुझा घेना
I proposed to him in December 2018. Like, let's give this a serious shot. He was like, "Acha, let's." He was like, "I'll tell you. I can't really say so soon. This, that."
Yeah.
And
Acknowledged. Okay. Yes. Understood. Well noted.
yeah, but how long did you take then?
The ship which I was sailing on, there was no internet, there was nothing, only email, basic email without any attachments also. Living through that whole period, from October, November, December, January, February, March, April, then I thought, okay, this lady has patience. Not just with my foolery and tomfoolery, but also with my sailing and the situation I am in. Both ways. It plays a big part in a seafarer's life. That was one thing, and I found her interesting the very first time only. And yes, but committing to a longer journey which we are going to start now again, थोड़ा सा टेस्ट करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा pH टेस्ट करना पड़ता है उसके लिए. That sailing time was that, and yeah, that was like okay, final thing. Yes, it can be done, and yes, it will be.
आता की नाही करणार.
He's like, "काय लिहिलंय विचारतोय."
Well, Papa is making sure the name is saying nothing.
Oh, लिहिलंय.
फार तरी शोधायचं असतं. आम्ही नाही शोधायचं.
आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा मुकाबला लैला ओ लैला हीर दे नाल मैं कटिया एक साल ने मैनू कदे तले जिया कर तू शॉपिंग मार ले मेरे नाल दिया सब पार्लर सजदियां रहंदियां हाईलाइट करा दे मेरे काले वाल ने मैं किथों सजा दे रे सारे सूट पुराणिया हाय पुराणिया मैनू लहंगा लहंगा जा मर जानिया इन्ने पैसे दस तू किथे लेके जानिया
होगी बाटू तू प्रिय बाटू तू हो गई मुंडे की पतंगा की मैं उड़ी थी हो गई मुंडे की इलाते तरंगी टुक 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 करती विक्टोरिया अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट्टू करदी जिन्ना कोई साडी विक्टोरिया तू कहती बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन झुमकदा ओ पूरा लंदन झुमकदा तू कहती बिग वैन दी पूरा लंदन
ऐ मोहतरमा यूं ना शर्मा मैं आशिक हूँ कोई क्रीप नहीं ऐ हुस्न परी डोंट वरी मेरी शायरी भी ज्यादा डीप नहीं तुझे जो देखा कायनात हिला मानो जैसे यहाँ हार्ट क्वेक हुआ सब रुक सा गया वक्त थम सा गया हाईवे पे सडनली जैसे ब्रेक हुआ
Every day we've been in touch, no matter what has happened, and that I give him credit to. He has managed to be in touch with me no matter his signal, no matter his whatever schedule, work schedule, his sleep schedule, his time zone difference, everything. So he has that sense of responsibility to keep in touch with me always, and of course he looks good, so why not? है ना?
कितनी लवली रात तुम जो हो मेरे साथ बन गया इश्क का कारवां जब से देखा ये मुझे क्या हुआ सब रुक सा गया वक्त थम सा गया हाईवे पे सडनली जैसे ब्रेक हुआ शुक्रिया खुदा अब जो टुगेदर है हम forever भी कम मेरी लाइफ की तू वजह जब से देखा ये मुझे क्या हुआ उफ भयानक सा ये हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ सब रुक सा गया वक्त थम सा गया हाईवे पे सडनली जैसे ब्रेक हुआ
I don't know, the moment which was very, very special, and I almost cried. Like, I couldn't believe that it was actually happening, was when I saw him after 11.5 months, because that whole lockdown period was a very difficult time. So then when I finally saw him and when I hugged him, it was, I can't explain it.
Her intelligence, yeah, and it is quite a bit intimidating also, but her dedication to her work, even this marriage also, she takes it like, okay, this is a task and should be done for full justice to this thing, and yes, that dedication which she has, that I identified, and yeah, that's what make me fall for her.
अहो सासूबाईंनी पण भरपूर गोड करा.
घ्या अजून घ्या.
हा, मग.
आग्रहाचं.
आग्रह.
श्री आलेल्या गणेशाय नमः.
येतंय का तेवढं मराठी लिहिता?
हमने की
गरम गरम खिचडी,
गरम गरम खिचड़ी,
रवेदार घी,
रवेदार घी,
रवेदार घी,
रवेदार घी,
जहाँ मेरी
दोयल
वही मेरा जी.
वही मेरा जी.
विटावर विटा
विटावर विटा
ठेवल्या साठ.
ठेवल्या 60.
कोणाचं नाव घेऊ दे.
अरे पार्कचं नाव घेते.
बांधली आमची गाठ.
बांधली आमची गाठ.
पर्दा नीचे गिर गया वही
I was
वाला.
going to say the same thing. I was going to say the exact same thing. I'm like the moment because the thing was that I was getting a bit emotional.
You know me, I was like ऐसे ये घड़ी ऐसे रखी थी, वो हार ऐसे पकड़ के रखा हुआ था. I was looking at time. अरे 12 बज रहा है, 12 बज 1 मिनट हुआ, 2 मिनट हुआ और कितना लंबा चलेगा देखना पड़ेगा. Yeah.
But the moment that नीचे गिरा तो I was like I saw him. I'm like अच्छा okay, it's fine.
साजिरी गुजिरी जोडी आहे ही जबर, लाखात एक हे मेड फॉर इच अदर. अशा या दोघांना कोणाची नजर लागो ना.
Come, she's not going anywhere. She's coming with us now. I don't see. Hey, Bhagwan. Lord.
It was 14, now I'm going 1500. No problem.
So 1200 per head. Happy wife, happy life. She says 15. No, happy wife, happy life.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a win-win. Yay!
साजिरी गुजिरी जोडी आहे ही जबर, लाखात एक हे मेड फॉर इच अदर. अशा या दोघांना कोणाची नजर लागो ना.
साजिरी गुजिरी जोडी आहे ही जबर, लाखात एक हे मेड फॉर इच अदर. अशा या दोघांना कुणाची
Thank you for making
Arey,
me
to me
everything.
you have to say.
Acha, to each other.
Not to the guests.
Thank you for marrying me.
Thank you for marrying you. Yeah, you're welcome. You should be thankful.
Yes, I should be. I should be very much so.
No, yeah. I'm lucky to have found you.
Yes.
And yeah, I can't thank
Same
my
here.
stars enough.
And yeah, today is a very special day. Conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn is happening. Past 3 days, this is happening, man. Full celestial
This
navigation.
is what it is. Like once he'll start with something, it's like gone. now you sit and listen to this Jupiter and this and that only.